So, we're gonna go. Ang nakalagay lang is ang butchiki. Chitiri kong cola. I think that's done. Yeah, because hi guys! Oh guys! Hello guys! Hello. Oh no, you have to eat your breakfast before I give you your dry food. Dimples, my hair is just everywhere that I cannot control it. Good morning guys! Yes, I cannot. Dimples face. That is, she does like that. That means she want a dry food. I'll give you dry food. Oh my god, yung panty ko guys na loose. Ay, I have to change underwear. Na loose kasi. So yun. This is what I do if I have a lot of hair before I go in the dog, or like the dog or the cats are kinda, you know, clingy and want to be lovey-dovey before I go. So, I have to clean. I have to clean. Kailangan ko din ito, chopstick. I'm going to go upstairs and change my loose na panty. You guys, you know me. Open all the time. Always open. Open. Matagal na ito. 19 forgotten pa itong underwear ko, guys. I'm so happy all the time. Every time I see this freaking drawer, I'm happy. Hi guys, tignan nyo yun. Wakwak guys. Wakwak. 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 Binuang mo ni mo. I always feel bad that you cannot come up here. Well, it's your fault, baby. It's your fault. Hi guys, BT Lafia is back. Si BT Lafia hindi na curly hair. At saka short hair na. I kinda iron really quick. If you wanna know where I get these eyeglasses, they send it to me for free from Firmo. Maganda yung mga glasses nila, guys. This is from Firmo. Firmo.com. And ito naman, this is from, I got this from Forever 21 long time ago. So, I am going, guys, because I still have to stop to grocery store. Bye, Dip Alerts! Ipasok na itits, ipasok. So, yan. I will put my cell phone here. Okay. I almost forget to bring the house key. Parang masakit yung tiyan ko, guys. Man brought to life. He once swore he came around like he was dignified. Show me what it was to cry. Pero, hindi ko dadalhin yung camera. Kasi, I'm not gonna bring the camera, guys, because I'm in a hurry. Honestly, it's already 12:30 and, you know, I still have to drive back home. And I'm hungry, so I don't want my mother-in-law to call and then I'm still in here. So anyway, I'm here. I will see you when I get back. Sobrang init. Hindi ko na mapakita yung kung anong binili ko kasi na init dito sa refrigerator at sa freezer, lahat ng gamit. At doon na lang sa bahay. I guess I will see you sa isang bahay na. Ay, hindi na dito kasi hindi ko na kaya. So we're gonna go shopping tomorrow? No, you wanna go curtains? You wanna pick up some curtains?
Yeah, we'll find something that we like.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say.
Come here, in. Oh my God, Misty, are you kidding me? Misty, come on. Oh my goodness, baby. Hindi ko alam, it says red bean paste bun. Ay, hindi na frozen, so lutuin ko lang to. Green tea. Saka itong isda na to, ano to? Kalimutan ko ang pangalan nito. Butter something. Two Lego sardines. Itong century tuna na afritada, tatlo. And I get this also, Tito Al's Choice chicharron strips. This one. Thicker than behon yellow. Mango. At swalong. Ay, 4, 5. Hala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Legos. Calamansi. I am cooking the fish, the butterfish, buttermilk, butterfish, something like that. Lulutuin ko lang siya. Walang nakalagay dito eh. Ang nakalagay lang is ambuchiki. Chichiri kong kola ambuchiki. It's Chinese. It's not Chinese, Korean. I don't know, but it's hard to understand. So this one is that, you know, my mother-in-law can eat that. And me, I can eat the fish. Ununin ko lang siya, ununin. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, yung lipstick ko, guys, yung chapstick ko umambak. Kailangan ka dito, it's so dry. Ito na yung ano niya. Tignan nyo. Ma-oil, pepper, ginger, lemon, garlic, onion. Ay nako, cumin, vinegar, water, salt. Ay nako, talagang nakaka. Lagyan ko ito ng sili. Ay nako, Sharon Cunita lagi. Guys, ang amoy niya, guys, talagang amoy na amay. Sobrang inununan talaga yung amoy niya, guys, as in, guys, yung ginger, a lot of onion and garlic, guys. It's so good, guys. I think that's done. Yeah, because the juice is gone. It's just a little bit left over there with oil in it. So it's done. Oops. Hi guys, good evening, guys. I don't know what time is it. It's 9:15 in the evening. And thank you, guys. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Follow me on my Instagram, guys. I put all that my social media account in the beginning of the video. See you tomorrow. Bye. You just miss me to hug you and kiss you and love you and to the and to the. I'm stupid, honestly.